Then this is the next video. Then we got fishy to do, and then we got the dinos, and I think we have to get the ninja finish first, and I just get the fishy first. There, this is the fishy. Here, fishy. We got Carly, Bumble, Stanley, and Blurb.
ไม่ต้องขยับแต่ผมขยับเอง
Now, this is
หัน
Blurb.
ดี
This is Blurb. Here, this is Blurb, and then this is the name. This is the habitat of Blurb,
ๆเขาเอามือบังอีก
and this is code to catch Blurb.
ทันมันไม่เห็นทันถืออะไรของทันก็ไม่รู้
And then we got Carly. It is rare. We got its habitat here, and magic bean, and coach to catch Carly is magic bean, loveberry, and loveberry. This is Flumble. It's rare. It's named Flumble. It's a starfish. This is habitat. And this is Stanley. Here, Stanley. Here, it's here. And we got the code to catch it. And then we got the dinos here. We got Doris. And this is the code to catch Doris here. And its habitat here. And we got Gurgle. And it's ultra rare. Code to catch it. That its habitat. And then we got Pookie. Here it is the code to catch. And then this is Pookie. This is its name, how to spell it. This is the habitat of it. And we got the last one is Snoopkin. It's easy to do, and it's very easy. And its habitat.
ยังถ่ายไม่เสร็จเลย
And then we got the ninjas. Here, it is the ninja.
ไม่ต้องโยกถ่ายได้
We got Chop Chop. Here, it's hard to spell Chop Chop. And this is Chop Chop. And the code to catch Chop Chop is here. Its habitat. And this is General Fuzuki. It says a wombat. Here, General Fuzuki. This is General. And this is code to catch it. General Fuzuki don't have a habitat there, so I can. This is Sukiyaki. The captain Asin. It is a cat. It is like a ninja here. And this is the code to catch Sukiyaki. Its habitat. Then we got Shelby is the last one. Shelby. And there's Shelby. Its habitat is right there. and the code to catch it.
เอามือถอย
And then look at the third video of Tan. We will show the worldie, and we will show here. We got worldie and foodie and ponies.
เรื่อยเลย
Bernie, it is a dragon. It's ultra rare, and it can do flames. And this is the code to catch Bernie. Yeah, yes, it's there.
yes
We got Bernie. It's a dragon, and it's ultra rare. Here, ultra rare. Here. And then we got Snap Apple Red and Snap Apple Red. And then we got Crazy Daisy Blue. It is the paw print. This is the fact about Bernie and its habitat. The fact about it, it's here. You can read it, and you can pause it and read it first. Let's go to the next page. We got Humphrey. And this is Humphrey. Here. This is the code to catch Humphrey. And its habitat. The code to catch Humphrey again. And this is Humphrey walking. This is in Beasties. And let's go to the next page is Jeepers. Jeepers. Here it's Jeepers. It's Jeepers. And Jeepers is a rare one. Got a fact about Jeepers and Jeepers paw print and Jeepers habitat and a fact about it. You can pause and read it. And the last one is Shishi. And this is Shishi body. We got a panda. Shishi is a panda. It is a sneezy panda, and it's ultra rare.
ท่านบอกอะไรแอดเราทีไหน
And this is a fact about it. Then we have our beastie. If you want to add us, this is all beasties. And we got Bernie. Then
บอกเลยว่าต้องแอดอะไร
Then if you want to add us, you can go to the friend list and type TUNLD, and then you visit me and you add